How can I find the current OS in Python? As the title says, how can I find the current operating system in Python?
This URL. To complement Greg's post, if you're on a POSIX system which includes Mac OS, Linux, Unix, etc., you can use os.uname to get a better feel for what kind of system it is.
This gives you the essential information you will usually need. To distinguish between, say, different editions of Windows, you will have to use a platform-specific method.
I usually use system.platform to get the platform. System.platform will distinguish between Linux, other Unixes, and OS X, while os.name is POSIX for all of them. For much more detailed information, use the platform module. This has cross-platform functions that will give you information on the machine architecture, OS and OS version of Python, etc. Also, it has OS-specific functions to get things like the particular Linux distribution.
Something along the lines.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.